Hello and welcome to this tutorial. If you're concerned about your privacy on TikTok, especially when sharing links, this video is just for you. Today, I'll show you how to turn on or off the display profile when sharing links, setting directly from your Android phone. First, open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile screen. Then select Settings and Privacy from the menu that appears. After that, tap on the Account option. Now, click on Privacy. Scroll down until you find the option called Display Profile when sharing links. Tap on it. Now, simply toggle it off or on, depending on your preference. That's it. With just a few simple steps, you can control whether your profile shows when sharing TikTok links. Don't forget to explore more privacy options to protect your account.